Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis. And on today's episode of Squad Busters, we are going to look at how we can change our avatar. Now, changing your avatar in Squad Busters is pretty simple and straightforward. So on your game, tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Now just tap on the avatar and select your new avatar. As you can see, my avatar right now is Colt, but I want to change it to Chicken. So I'll just tap on Chicken and just press on Close. Now you can see my avatar has been changed, and it's that easy to change your avatar on Squad Busters. If you guys face any confusion while following the step, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.